GMAT Verbal Reasoning Official Guide Breakdown Explained. Question 1. A train travels 60 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 45 minutes? 45 miles, 30 miles, 60 miles, 50 miles. 60 miles/hour means 1 mile per minute. Therefore, in 45 minutes, it travels 45 miles. Question 2. If the day after tomorrow is Friday, what day was yesterday? Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. If the day after tomorrow is Friday, today is Wednesday. Therefore, yesterday was Tuesday. Question 3. Three individuals buy a business for $900,000. John pays $200,000, Mary pays $400,000, and Steve pays the rest. What fraction of the business does Steve own? 1/3, 1/4, 1/2, 3/8. Steve pays $900,000. $200,000 plus $400,000 equals $300,000. 300K/900K equals 1/3. Question 4. Repel is to attract as hide is to reveal, seek, conceal, cover. Repel is the opposite of attract, just as hide is the opposite of reveal. Question 5. Are these words similar, contradictory, or neither? Meticulous and careless. Contradictory. Similar. Neither. Identical. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail, which is the exact opposite of careless. Question 6. If 5 machines can make 5 widgets in 5 minutes, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? 5 minutes, 100 minutes, 1 minute, 50 minutes. The rate is 1 machine makes 1 widget in 5 minutes. Therefore, 100 machines running simultaneously take 5 minutes to make 100 widgets. Question 7. Which of the following is the earliest date? January 14, 1898, February 2, 1898, December 30, 1897, March 1, 1898. December 30, 1897 occurs before any date in the year 1898. Question 8. A recipe requires 2 cups of sugar for every 3 cups of flour. If you use 9 cups of flour, how much sugar is needed? 6 cups, 4 cups, 8 cups, 5 cups. The ratio of sugar to flour is 2 to 3. If flour is multiplied by 3, from 3 to 9, sugar is multiplied by 3, 2x 3 equals 6. Question 9. What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 20, 25, 22. The difference increases by 1 each time, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. The next is plus 6, so 15 plus 6 equals 21. Question 10. Which word does not belong? Apple, banana, carrot, orange. A carrot is a vegetable, whereas the others are all fruits. Question 11. Are the following words similar, contradictory, or neither? Abundant and scarce. Contradictory. Similar. Neither. Identical. Abundant means plentiful, whereas scarce means rare. They are antonyms, contradictory. Question 12. Rearrange the letters Paris to form a word. What does it relate to? A pear, a city, a fruit, an animal. Wait, Paris is a city, but rearranged it spells pears, which is a pear. Actually, Paris is a city. Let's fix this question. Paris is already a word, but rearranged. Let's use noion. Rearranged it spells onion. What is it? A vegetable. Let's replace the text. Question 13. Find the next number in the series 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 48, 36, 72. Each number is multiplied by 2 to get the next number. 32x2 equals 64. Question 14. If an item costs $20 after a 20% discount, what was the original price? $25, $24, $30, $22. Let original price be x. 0.8x equals 20, so x equals 20/0.8 equals 25. Question 15. Which word is the opposite of expand? Contract, grow, widen, enhance. To expand means to become larger, while to contract means to shrink or become smaller. Question 16. Rearrange the letters NOION to form a word. What category does it belong to? Vegetable, animal, city, country. The letters rearrange to form the word onion, which is a vegetable. Question 17. A store sells apples for 50 cents each or $5 for a dozen. How much do you save by buying a dozen instead of 12 individual apples? $1, 50 cents, $2, $1.50. 12 individual apples cost 12*50 cents equals $6. Buying the dozen for $5 saves $1. Question 18. A boy is 4 years old and his sister is 3 times as old as he is. When the boy is 12, how old will his sister be? 20, 24, 16, 36. Sister is currently 4x3 equals 12 years old. The difference in age is 8 years. When the boy is 12, the sister will be 12 plus 8 equals 20. Question 19. Which number is the largest? 0.90, 0.899, 0.9, 0.901. 0.901 is mathematically greater than 0.90, which is 0.900, and 0.899. Question 20. A rope is 24 feet long. It is cut into 2 pieces so that one piece is 3 times as long as the other. How long is the shorter piece? 6 feet, 8 feet, 4 feet, 12 feet. Let the short piece equals x, long piece equals 3x. X plus 3x equals 24-4x equals 24-x equals 6.